Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to do for data-driven testing with the external data source with using for JSON for Selenium with the C sharp. Okay. And here the basic way I just have created for JSON data validation file one into the D drive, and also in the project location also I have created anything which is the file you are comfortable. You can able to take the both the cases. Okay. For reading purpose, we need to create one function, one method, public void read JSON. Okay, in this particular file again, I'm going to read for file path under a string of file path equal to at the rate two double quotations, and here we need to specify the file path. Which file path you want, you can able to use it. Okay, I'm going to use for direct my C drive, which is a file I have. Okay, in a project location file one I'm using. You can able to change that as well based upon your requirement. Okay, and then here I'm going to use for a where JSON string. Okay, my JSON is like this only, two username and password. Okay, and here the file dot read all text, read all text, where we are going to read all the text from the file path. Okay, after reading the complete file path, okay, then we need to do for deserialize that particular file, then only we can able to, because here login model we need to do for, right? For the login model, this is the format it will be there. Okay, for that we need to deserialize that particular thing, then only we can able to use it. Okay, then I'm going to use for JSON serialize. Okay, there are two things, system.test.json and nettones soft one. Okay, I'm choosing for system dot text dot json one. Okay, and dot deserialized. Okay, which one we are going to deserializing? Login login model. Okay, for this login model we are going to deserialize it. Which one we are going to deserialize? JSON string. Okay, JSON string we are deserializing. And what are the things we are done for deserialize? We need to store into one particular location. Okay, for this I'm going to use for login model. Okay, and here I deserialized, and I also I'm storing into this particular location. Okay, then after that I'm going to, if you want you can print it, or you can able to do for uh, directly to run as well. Okay, 1 minute. First of all, whether we are able to read the data from that particular location or not, we need to see. Okay, we can see that console right line, and here I can able to use for, before that I can a dollar two basis username and two curly braces login model dot username. Okay, and comma password again here as well, login model dot password. Okay, storing this one. Okay, I'll keep it this into a top location, or else we can do it directly. We can go and run as well. The test whether it will display or not. We can see the password and both the things are it is presented. Okay, and we can able to do for that particular one, right? We are able to do it, and even you can able to here yield return login model. Okay, we can use for yield login model, and this particular case I'll store copy. I'll paste it down. Okay, with the JSON. Okay, and mine is the JSON file. Okay, now again I'm going back to here. We can comment this one. Okay, now again I'm going back, and here I'm going to choose this one, and again I'm running this one. Whether we are able to see for the single model, whether we are able to do that or not, we'll see. Yeah, perfectly we are able to log in with the that particular file. Okay, and now we need to match with the above one. We have three different kind of usernames and passwords, and then we are doing right. How you can able to do that means just you need to go ahead inside, create array structure. Okay, okay, and then copy this, and now again copy like this three times. I copied and saving. Okay, now coming back to here. Now if you run this particular one, right, automatically our script will be a fail, because see login model may be a null here. Okay, if you run and see, even it is not running, it should give some error message. But I'm not sure why it is even it is not showing. Uh, See, basically it will throw some error because it is not able to deserialize that particular concept. Okay, then how you can able to do, right? This eld is having for three different kind of naming, uh, three different kind of passwords, but it will return for a single value. Eld it will return for a single value. Then how you can able to achieve this kind of approach, right? Then you need to use for each loop, for each loop Here you need to use for where login data in login model. Okay, and then you need to use for here. Okay, now this particular child one you can able to get it here and store. Okay, this eld every time it will rotate and it will give you that things. Okay, we can see now whether you can able to. Why it is showing error for each loop. It should return some values, right? Yes, and it is already reading, and the path is also reading, and it is coming back to here. Does not contain any public instant or extension of. 1 minute, I'll come back. There is only one thing I done the mistake. That is a list. I'm not. I forgot to add it because it's a list of values, right? Because JSON is having already a list of values. Okay, for that I just missed. That's why it is given an error. After adding it is got fixed. Okay. Now if you run again, now 3 times it will hit and do that first time, and second time it is taking. Okay, third time. Okay. 3 times we have passed for 3 values and it will return for 3 values. Okay, like this it will give you. Okay, in case if you are single, I'll copy this one. Okay, for the single, how you can able to modify. Only thing you need to remove here a list. Okay, remaining everything same. You need to remove the list and then you need to add it. Then it will work as expected without any issue. Okay, just for each loop also you can remove and directly you can keep it for a single file purpose. Eld return login data. Okay, if you mention like this, automatically it will pause. Okay, this is a way we can able to do for reading with the JSON, and we can able to log in into the application. Okay, like this we can able to perform. I hope it this entire information help for you, and thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.